Hello again, welcome to the channel. In this video we are gonna learn how to draw a 3D crack drawing. So I'm gonna teach you guys in my own way. Watch till the end and draw for yourself the drawing. First of all, draw a triangle, long triangle. The lines don't need to be perfectly straight because it's just for the guide. Now cut like this in both sides. Draw M shape just like this, but a bit curvy. Now we will start to do outlines for the drawing. Draw these crack shapes in those lines. Follow the step I am doing, or you can just make your own crack. Hold the pencil lightly and don't use hard pencil strokes. First do light strokes, then make the line more visible by lining it twice. This helps you not to mess up your drawing. Don't use straight line. Use wavy lines to draw these crack, that way it will look more realistic. Now do the same as before in this side as well. You can also make it a bit different to make the crack look more natural. That's the reason I'm making this line a bit longer than other lines, that way it'll look more natural. Both side end at the tip of the triangle. You don't need to be hasty while drawing. Draw slowly but surely. Slow progress is better than no progress, I think, so don't give up. Just make your crack look wavy enough. Now the outlining is almost done. Finally, we'll start shading the crack. First of all, start to shade with the lowest grade pencil. Then start with the higher one. Right now I'm using 2B grade pencil. Now the lower shade is done, I'll use 4B pencil to shade. I'm using makeup brush to blend the pencil. You guys can use tissue or cotton for blending as well. It works out, so no problem. Now the blending with brush is done. I'll again blend with pencil right into the mid-tone. Now you use this same technique over and over until you're satisfied. Let's do the same in other sides as well. Make the lowest part darkest cause the depth area are darker than the surface because the light don't get in depth of the crack, that's the reason. I'm using 6B pencil for this area. I've used charcoal pencil to make the crack more realistic. You guys also do the same. Now I'll blend again with my brush. Finally guys, it's done. Now the video has ended. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you can please comment also, it really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.